Want to transform your body in just 4 weeks? Today we're unveiling 6 dynamic exercises that are designed to reshape and redefine your physique, no matter your current fitness level. These routines are not just about breaking a sweat, they're about strengthening and toning your body, all within a short span of time. Remember, consistency is key, and so is maintaining proper form and balanced nutrition. The results? A body transformation you'll be proud of. Without further ado, let's dive into these body-transforming exercises. First up, the classic jumping jacks. Start by standing straight, feet together, arms at your sides. Then, in one swift motion, jump and spread your legs shoulder-width apart while swinging your arms above your head. Reverse the motion, and you've completed one jumping jack. This exercise is a powerhouse for cardiovascular health, flexibility, and toning your entire body. It's like a full-body tune-up in each jump. But don't rush. Keep your posture straight and movements controlled. Remember, the focus is on quality, not quantity. Next, we have push-ups. This classic exercise starts with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and your body forming a straight line from your head to your heels. As you bend your elbows to lower your body, remember to keep everything straight. Push-ups are a great way to strengthen your chest, shoulders, and arms. They also enhance overall body stability by engaging your core. It's not just about power, but about control and precision. Push-ups can be tough, but they are incredibly effective. Moving on, let's talk about planks. This exercise is a powerhouse for building core strength, improving posture, and enhancing overall body stability. The key to an effective plank is maintaining a straight body line. Imagine you're a plank of wood, solid and straight from your head down to your heels. Engage your abdominals, squeeze your glutes, and hold. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold a plank, but how well you can hold it. Planks are challenging, but the results are worth it. Next on our list are squats. This power-packed exercise is a staple in any fitness routine. To execute a squat, remember to keep your back straight, push your hips back, and bend your knees as if you're sitting on an invisible chair. Squats do wonders for your legs and glutes, but they offer more than just that. They improve balance, enhance overall body strength, and even boost your flexibility. So when you're squatting, remember, it's not just your legs working hard. Squats are not just for the legs, they are a total body workout. Moving forward, let's discuss lunges. Lunges are a powerhouse exercise that targets your legs and glutes, giving them a strong, toned appearance. To perform a lunge, step forward with one foot, bending both knees at a 90-degree angle. It's important to keep your front knee in line with your toes to prevent injury. Lunges not only enhance your balance but also improve your overall body strength. Remember, maintaining balance and form is key to reaping the benefits of lunges. Lunges can be tough, but they are incredibly effective. Last but not least, burpees. A powerhouse of a workout, burpees combine strength training and aerobic elements, making them a full-body exercise. Start in a standing position, then drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, return to the squat, and leap up. It's crucial to maintain a smooth rhythm throughout. Burpees not only improve cardiovascular health but also tone every muscle group, enhancing overall strength and endurance. Burpees are a high-intensity workout, but they are worth every drop of sweat. And there you have it, 6 exercises that can transform your body in just 4 weeks. Let's recap: jumping jacks, push-ups, planks, squats, lunges, and burpees. Each exercise offers unique benefits, from building strength to improving cardio health. But remember, consistency is key. Make sure to maintain proper form and pair your workouts with balanced nutrition. Start incorporating these exercises into your routine, and you'll see changes sooner than you think. Remember, the only bad workout is the one that didn't happen, so get moving.